Welcome back to our channel. Let's continue uncovering the real facts about the Yeti. In this second part, we will hear the opinions of scientists about this legendary creature. Quoted from Science Alert, the team sequenced mitochondrial DNA from 23 Asian bears, including Yeti samples, and compared them with bears from around the world. They found that the Tibetan brown bear is closely related to American bears. However, the Himalayan bear comes from a separate evolutionary lineage that split about 650,000 years ago, during the Ice Age. This could happen when the ice significantly changes the landscape, separating bear groups that then follow separate evolutionary paths. Further genetic research on these rare and difficult-to-understand animals can help explain the environmental history of the region, as well as the history of bear evolution worldwide, and additional Yeti samples can contribute to this work, said Lindqvist. Professor Denmark Dr. Charlotte Lindqvist is an expert responsible for ending centuries-old myths passed down from generation to generation in Nepal. Our findings confirm that the biological foundations of the Yeti legend can be found in local bears, said Charlotte, from the University of Buffalo, New York. Charlotte and her team looked at 9 historic Yeti evidence samples collected by a crew making a film about the creature. The first official record of something extraordinary emerged in 1832 when the Journal of the Asiatic Society of Bengal published a report from an English explorer, B. H. Hodgson. He claimed to have seen a creature covered in long, dark fur that he believed was an orangutan. If so, the orangutan was more than 6,000 kilometers from its native habitat in Sumatra and likely cold and confused. In 1925, photographer N. A. Tombazzi recorded his experience of seeing the Yeti, which was described as a tall, naked figure pulling rhododendron plants at an altitude of 4,500 meters. Shortly before the start of World War II, the Nazis were interested in studying the Yeti figure and sent an expedition to Nepal to investigate. And even then, more than 100 years ago, explorer Ernst Schaefer concluded that the Yeti was just a bear. Now scientists have confirmed once and for all that the Yeti, a creature resembling a Himalayan ape, never existed. So if you're planning a trip to Nepal and trying to find the terrifying snow creature, you may want to reconsider your vacation plans.